Hey everyone, ready to whip up some delicious egg muffin trios? Let's get started. First, cut the broccoli into florets and boil them for just a minute. Dice up the bacon and cook until crispy. Next, chop the kale and red onion. Sauteing them until wilted. Cook the sausage and then cut it into smaller pieces. Don't forget to cut the grape tomatoes and spinach. Now, let's make the egg mixture. Crack 12 eggs into a bowl, add some black pepper and give it a good mix. In a muffin tray, put broccoli, bacon, and Happy Valley shredded mozzarella cheese together. And then kale, sausage, and Happy Valley Parmesan shaker. And finally, spinach, grape tomatoes, and Happy Valley Feta cheese. Pour the egg mixture over the ingredients in the muffin tray. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Your healthy and easy egg muffin trio is ready to enjoy. Give it a try and I'll see you in the next video.